In the previous video, we have seen what is self-awareness. If you haven't seen that video, link is in the description box. Please go and check that video also. In this video, we are going to discuss O and A of the framework as OA. Here, O gives the definition of opportunity awareness. When opportunity meets preparation, then this is the place where billionaires, where millionaires, where successful people, where great mindset, great philosophers are formed. So you need to have complete awareness of opportunity awareness. That opportunity awareness will be created in this video. I'll be asking a question. If you can answer that question perfectly, then you will have a complete understanding of what is opportunity awareness. The first question is, do you like the industry you're working, or what industry do you wanna work more? Already we had a glimpse from the last video that you know what are your interests. So by the interest, you should have understanding. You must have understanding in what industry do you want to work with. If you got a clear idea of what industry you want to work with, then you can write answer to this question. And second question, and this is the most beautiful question that I'm gonna ask, and this is the perfect question every person must ask themselves. That question is, what is it like to be? And a dash and a question mark. In the dash, you can fill various career streams. For example, what is it like to be an entrepreneur? What is it like to be a coder? What is it like to be a designer? What is it like to be a teacher? Right? You must know what is it like to be someone or something. We usually run like a rats in a rat race, chasing something that is actually not necessary for us. So have a glimpse. Ask the people who are already successful in your streams, what is it like to be something or someone? Something I'm gonna add here is, always go to the people who quit their jobs. For example, a person was a coder and he quit coding. Just go and interrogate him. Why did he quit coding? In this way, you will get a deep understanding about goals of a career stream. You are already understood what are the pros, what are the cons. Now you got a complete overall view that what is it like to be. And last and final thing I'm going to discuss, that is A. A gives a definition of action. Okay? We all have some plans, but we can only achieve something not just by planning, but also through our actions, right? We need to have a perfect action for a perfect plan, right? A stands for action. The question you should be asking here is, what is it that is holding me back for not achieving my goals? For some people, it may be financial. For some people, it may be parents. Parents बोलते हैं ना अभी नहीं करने का, graduation के बाद करने का. For some people, it may be their procrastination. For some people, it may be someone or it may be something. But a research was conducted and a research proved that in the 97% of the cases, people don't do what they love because of their mindset. You know what? Mindset is everything. 97% of the people don't excel in life or don't get out of their comfort zone because of the mindset. You need to have perfect mindset. How can you develop that mindset? By subscribing to our videos and seeing it again and again. We make sure that we create that environment. We make sure that we build that mindset. We make sure that you will be aware of every career stream from zero to hero. So do consider subscribing our channel. So let's come back to the topic. What did I say? Mindset stops you from achieving things. This is very, very complex statement that I have given here. This is true. So guys, please concentrate on your mindset also. Please have a growth mindset so that you can really excel in your career. And the final thing I'm gonna say is, please do what you're loving. Final thing I'm gonna say is, please do what you're loving. And I'm ending this video by telling 4 sentences. That is, be brave to lose. Be brave to win. Be brave to learn. And be brave to discover yourself. Jai Hind.